Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 4 Indian Army. Yesterday we have seen the role of Indian Army. Now today we are going to learn command and control of the army. Okay, command and control of the army. See, here is given the chart of that command and control of the army. We see the army, Indian army is spread over 6 operational command. See, here it means that army headquarter, chief of the army staff rank and general. That is divided into two parts, operational command and army training command. Okay, army training command. And that operational command based on geography and the pursue security threat. Pursue security threats means to that is operational command is based on geography. Okay, based on geography's region, and the pursue security threat means pursue means to understand security threats. The command are further divided into 2 or 3 corps. See, here is given command means that operational command is divided into corps. Okay, here corps means that it is divided into corps, and corps are further divided into 2 or 4 division. See, here is corps is divided into rank, lieutenant general, comprises of 3-4 divisions. Okay, then the divisions are made up of 3 or 4 brigades. See, brigade means commanded by brigade commander, rank brigadier. Okay, comprises of 3 battalion and support element means it comprises the 3 battalions. Brigade comprises of 3 battalions. Last period I told you that battalions means different states related, means different group of states that related to battalion. For example, Rajasthan battalion, Maratha battalion. Okay. Then next is brigade. See, the division are made up to 3 or 4 brigade, and each brigade has 3 to 4 battalions. See, each brigade has 3 to 4 battalion, and battalion or regiment. See, battalion or regiment. Regiment is a unit of armed troops under the command of army officer, and that consists several smallest unit. Okay, that consists several smallest unit or more 2 or more battalions. Each brigade has 3 to 4 battalion or regiments, and each battalion is further subdivided into companies, platoon and sector. Company, platoons and sections. And see here, battalion is divided into company, platoon and section. Okay, and that with the section comprising 10 soldiers being the smallest entity, means each companies or each platoon or each section that comprises the 10 soldiers, means each section or each companies that include the 10 soldiers. Okay, means for example, see, section commanded by section commander, rank Havaldar or smallest component of soldiers. Okay, means there is include section include Havaldar also, or smallest component of soldiers. Okay, like this way these are the operational command divided into 6 groups: corps, division, brigade, battalion, regiment, rifle company, platoon and section. And now here army training command means that corps. see, it is divided into two parts. Static formation area commanded by Lieutenant General and sub area commanded by Major General. Means it is these are the part of corps. Okay. Static formation area, see, static formation area commanded by Lieutenant General and sub area commanded by Major General. These are the subdivisions of corps. Then Army Training Command are commanded by Geographical Operational Command in C, means Army Command, rank Lieutenant General. It is establishment of training, and that divided into two categories. Two categories are commanded by Lieutenant General, means there are 3 star for Lieutenant General, and Major General 2 star. Okay, and category B commanded by Major General, there is 2 star, and Brigadier there is 1 star. Like this way training established. Okay, means training, establishment of training. It is means it includes the Army Training Command commanded by the Geographical Operational Command in Army Commander, rank and Lieutenant General. Like this way, these are the, means it is the control of Army. Means it spread over the 6 operational command based on geographical or GOC, Geographical Operational Command. Okay. Next part we will learn tomorrow. Thank you.